Hi, today in front of me Motorola Moto G73 and I'll show you how to mute ringtone on this device. So first open the settings application and then scroll to the sound and vibration. Here we will see ringtone volume panel, and just to mute the ringtone we should slide to the left side ringtone volume panel. Also we got the second way how we can do that. Just first open or press up or down volume button, then click here to these three dots and we'll launch the same sounds and vibration settings. Just to unmute the ringtone we should by the same way slide to the left side this dot on the ring volume panel, and to save the changes we should click to done. So thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.